Meaning of forbear.
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 Forbear. The word forbear means to hold oneself back from doing something, to refrain from an action, or to be patient and tolerant towards a difficult situation or person without reacting aggressively. It implies self-control and a willingness to endure adversity without retaliation. Forbearing involves resisting the temptation to retaliate against someone who has wronged us, choosing instead to show mercy, kindness, and forgiveness. It can require great strength of character and moral fortitude. By practicing forbearance, we can cultivate inner peace, improve our relationships, and create a more harmonious world.